So I got the new hood on, got the car ready to go, got the new latch on. This is off the red front end that I got. So it looked just like the other latch. I think they lined up pretty well, but I just wanted to be sure because I want to be able to close this hood and make sure that I can open it again. And so that was something that I had to be careful about once I got this latch on, because the cable was sheared off in the accident. And so I did get the other cable from the Sonic Blue car, and so I got the latch all installed and ready to go. And so now I just need to run the new cable and make sure that this is all going to line up right. But if you slowly close the hood, you can see that it doesn't latch, because I'm not shutting it, I'm not slamming it shut, but it does line up the way it should. So I'm very happy about that. It clicks down just like it's supposed to. So here's the new cable, and I did, like I said, get this off my Sonic Blue GT that's wrecked really bad in the front and the back, so it has good parts. So you take off the one nut there, and then there's a tab that secures it towards the back of that same area. But pulled the cable through the firewall area, and this is where it goes through right here. It has this little grommet piece. And here's the latch. Like I said, got this all set up, and now I'm going to put the cable on. So it's kind of an interesting way to get it in here. You have this little box that slides on here, and it's held in with a screw that has a Phillips head on it, and the end of the cable, it's kind of like a bike brake piece cable, just real simple setup, but you just have to wrap it around this little the stem that has kind of a circular bend to it, and just getting the cable in there right and then having it come through is how you do it. So if you could see how I did that, that's how it's supposed to be. And then you can slide in this box piece. It has a little notch there for it, and then that's how you do it. And here's the little screw that has a Phillips head on it, and that secures that in place. And so with that in place and the cable secured where it's supposed to be, it'll be perfect to go. So then I'll just bolt those on. But now that this is all bolted up, here's how it closes. Really simple, and it latches right where it should be. And this made me very happy knowing that the fenders and everything are where they're supposed to be. That front clip is where it's supposed to be. So here's the moment of truth. We'll shut the hood all the way. There, it's secured, it's latched. And now let's go and pull the hood release and see if the hard work paid off and see if I did it right. Perfect. I'm very happy with that. And I'll tell you the truth, that pulls so nicely. It pulls better than some of my other cars. Really easy release and really perfect. It's like brand new. It's a nice click, and it pulled perfectly. So now that that's all lined up, the fender gap's looking very presentable. GT's looking good here in the side yard, project cars. Here came in a little storm, just as a little bonus at the end of the video to show you what was going on. We were down the street at the park and we saw the storm coming in. I was like, oh no, it's gonna blow that canopy away that was over the Mustang, because I was actually using the canopy with a bungee cord to hold the hood open on the Mustang with the other hood that was all busted up. And so the wind had moved the whole canopy away from the car. I thought that was kind of funny. But anyway, that's the update for the Silver GT. Everything's lining up nicely. I'm going to have my friend do some welding on the car, hopefully, and get that all secured. And then the car runs, so I just need to buy some things for it, like a radiator, and add the fluids and get everything all set up on it. And so that'll be the nice part, to get that all running. So still have quite a bit of work to do, but anyway, just wanted to show this update and how I got that all to work. I was very happy how the hood latched. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this update video. Stay tuned for more Mustang content.